Okay, guys, so this is clear why we are here. We are here how to make our communication little humorous, how to make our communication more engaging, how to make our communication more interesting so that our audience will love to listen. Okay, Abhi, right now we are working on our communication. That's why you are all here on this IDQ platform to become a, why you are here? What is your objective?
Impressive speaker.
Impressive, effective communicator. Right?
Correct,
Effective, impressive. But how you can be an impressive speaker? Santosh, if you are speaking, so do you really think so? Just by delivering the content, whatever the content is in your mind, just by delivering your content in front of others, you can be an impressive speaker? Can you?
Smile,
Yes, ma'am.
body language, hand gesture, everything is
Yes,
important.
everything counts, everything counts. But इसके साथ साथ अंजना थोड़ा सा अगर हम तड़का लगा दे humor का, if we will just add little spice of our humor, so don't you think so? Your communication, your talk would be on
more
the
effective,
more effective,
impressive,
more effective and impressive. So that's why we are always saying कि I want to become an effective speaker. I want to become an impressive speaker. So yeah, I always ask from the students, how you can be an effective speaker, how you can be an impressive speaker. So that's why, guys, today I'm here with this topic and I hope that you will relish this topic. So shall I start?
Yes.
Shall I start? Hi, Smrita. Good to see you.
Hello,
Finally.
good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay, guys. So shall I start? Any problem to anyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Go on.
So let's start. I hope now the screen is visible also. Visible? Screen is visible?
No. Yes. Now.
I know, बढ़ा के ना एकदम दिल की धड़कने बढ़ा देते हो. Now the visible? Now the screen is visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now the topic. What is the topic name? Yes.
Humor, the secret sauce of great communication.
Yes, the topic
Humor,
name
the
is humor.
secret sauce of great
Great
communication.
communication. The secret sauce of great communication. Okay. So humor, what you can understand? Humor means you can understand the salt of the food. Like the salt. Guys, see, if there is no salt in the food, do you really like that food? No, you don't like that. No taste. So same goes with the humor. If we inculcate the little humor into our talk, we can make our talk more interesting, more engaging.
Yes.
So guys, are you ready? Are you ready to learn this secret sauce? Are you
Yes,
ready?
ma'am.
How to
Yes,
learn?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Indrajit is so
Yeah.
much busy in writing. Indrajit, have you published any book after this session? हाँ? इसके बाद एक publish करेंगे हम book authored by the Indrajit. No, Indrajit, just focus on the understanding. I will share the whole PDF. I will share the record. Okay? Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right. So let's start. What is humor? What is humor? क्या होता है humor? Yes. Dalip, can you read it? What is humor?
Yes.
The ability to find and express
Yes,
things
Dalip.
in a funny.
Humor is the ability to find and express things in a
lighten the mood,
more amusing way, lightens the mood and makes communication enjoyable.
Okay. But speak louder, Dalip. Speak louder. Okay, whenever you speak in the public forum, so always pitch your speak louder. Okay, so humor is the ability to find and express things in a funny or the amusing way. It lightens the mood and makes the communication enjoyable. Okay, so what is humor? Humor basically क्या है? आपका जैसा, as I told you, it is just like the salt. It is just like the spice of your communication. Why we need humor? To make our mood, to make our communication more engaging, more interesting, more enjoyable. We have to use the humor. What do you mean by humor? Humor से क्या मतलब समझते हो? Once this word is coming in front of you, so what do you understand by humor?
Means, ma'am, light mood.
हाँ, कैसे हम लाइट मूड कर सकते हैं, स्मृता?
Hot ideas.
हाँ, yes, संतोष, speak louder.
Hot ideas sharing to other people.
Ideas.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, but what type of
Amazing.
ideas? Suppose I'm taking a presentation. Okay, and everyone is very serious. Oh my God, again, there is a coach is coming with the one topic and then we have to listen. Okay, but अब मेरे को क्या करना है? How to make this presentation interesting? I have to add some humor. Humor का मतलब जो हमारे माइंड में होता है, guys, that is a jokes. Humor का मतलब हम समझते हैं jokes. ठीक है कि now ma'am now you are here, so humor doesn't mean guys कि I just entered into the presentation or into any session or any talk and I just crack some jokes and I'm expecting कि my audience will laugh. No, that is not a humor. ठाका मार मार के नहीं हंसना. Humor means just to lighten up the mood of the audience, just to giggle up their mood, because sometimes we are coming in a very negative zone. Okay, but it is a business prerequisite that we have to attend the session or the presentation. But how to make that environment from negative to positive? In that case, we have to inculcate the humor.
Yes.
We have to connect someone emotionally.
Yes,
and-
yes, Sonal. So now we are going to discuss what is the role of humor. What is the role of humor? Okay, so now we are discussing. Take me just 2 minutes. So, stuck is. So first, the role of humor is, I don't know why it is. Yes, the role of humor is the break the ice. Break the
Okay.
ice. The screen is visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
first role of humor is break the ice. What do you mean, Satinder Singh? What do you mean by break the ice?
Ma'am, to
हाँ? क्या मतलब
ma'am,
समझते
to
हैं
talk.
break?
Take challenges.
To?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
break the ice means to remove silence.
हाँ, very good, Sudha.
Conversation.
हाँ, silence.
Initiate the
Suppose you are in a meeting. You are meeting with the strangers. So someone should take the initiative to break the ice. To break the ice का मतलब होता है जो भी वो जो सन्नाटा सा होता है उसको तोड़ के you have to start. You have to start. So humor plays a very vital role in breaking the ice. Because once you inculcate the humor into your talk, it creates a very friendly and a relaxed environment so that you can easily come up and talk with the strangers. Okay, so that is break the ice. For example, guys, I'm going to take one example. Suppose I am coming for this session. The one way is that, hi guys, hello everyone. So today I'm going to take one topic and I hope that you will listen my topic very carefully. This is one way. Who bothers? ठीक है, आगे है मैम, ले लेंगे session because it is our part of curriculum. Okay, but what I suggest you have to break the ice. Break the ice matlab there is so much silence and you have to just break the ice. You start conversation with your guys so that your audience will love to listen you. So then in that case, you can say, hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to deliver one presentation and I promise that this presentation is just like a Netflix show. Very engaging, very informative and very refreshing. Okay? Guys, trust me, once I will speak in this way by using my body gesture, by using my facial expressions, my audience will love to listen. उनको लगेगा हाँ कुछ तो something is different. Okay, so then you have to say in this way. Clear this thing?
Yes, sir.
Or you can also say, suppose Mr. Satendra is going to deliver one presentation in his office. Now, Mr. Satendra, how will you speak? Yes, hello friends. Today I am here to deliver one presentation and I appreciate, please listen to me very carefully. Normally we speak in this way, right? But what we can do, just making this statement little humorous, what you can say, hey everyone, today I'm going to deliver one presentation and I promise that this presentation is good, just like is simple and interesting, just like a good movie trailer. I repeat, hey everyone, I'm just coming for the presentation. Hey everyone, I'm just okay, some noise. Aziz Mehdi. Who is she?
Yeah.
Okay. So hey everyone, I'm just going to deliver one presentation, and I promise that this presentation is as simple and interesting, just like a good movie trailer. Now, after that, you start your presentation. I'm not saying that you have to just make the changes into your presentation. No, I'm just saying how to break the
Impress my audience. ma'am.
Yes, at least. और अभी स्मृता सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आता है कि our audience won't love to listen.
Yes, ma'am.
सबसे major issue है कि audience won't love to listen. Audience doesn't pay the attention. So how to get their attention?
To
That
seek
is-
their attention, we have to
हाँ.
express ourselves in something different.
Different
So
and the
that-
unique way,
yes,
humorous way.
Yes, ma'am.
Buburaj, it is clear. Momita, Sharmila, Sojan, it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, forcefully तो नहीं कह रहे ना. Guys, this is a very new topic, so that's why I'm asking.
Yes,
Okay.
for example, like that in newspaper, headlines make
Interesting.
yeah.
Yes,
That's
yes.
why
Breaking
we are
news.
going
हाँ, Dalip, if you see कि any headline is interesting, so definitely
Definitely
you
I
will
will go
want
into
to learn the depth. Otherwise,
Yes.
who bothers na? Who has the time to read the entire?
Yes.
Right? So this is the humor. Capture attention. The second point is capture attention. Yes, definitely. If you learn how to inculcate the humor into your talk, you can capture the attention. You can capture the attention. Suppose Momita is taking one presentation, right, Momita? See you after a long time, dear. So that's why I'm taking your name. So Momita
Yes,
is taking
ma'am.
one presentation. Okay. And Momita is saying, I'm just taking the presentations because you guys are mostly the professional guys. So definitely you are going to take some presentations. So Momita is taking the presentations, and Momita wants to capture the attention of the audience. And audience is not interested to listen. Because again, in their mind, it is coming, oh my God, again a presentation is coming. Or you can say the Momita is going to take one meeting with their team members. Again, the team members will think, oh my God, again one meeting. So what the Momita is saying, guys, trust me, this meeting is as simple, or we can say this presentation is as simple or is as sweet, as short, just like the free coffee. Okay, whatever is coming into your mind, just to capture the attention. Just to capture the attention. Build rapport. Build rapport. What does it mean? Ravi, what do you mean by build rapport?
Rapport, some impression or some good things in
Yes, yes, yes.
mind.
How to build the rapport. This is very important, guys. How to build the rapport. In today's scenario, it is very important ki how to build the rapport with your clients. If you are working in a office, so you have to build the rapport with the clients. If you are working in a school, so you have to build the rapport with your students, with the parents, with the HOD. Okay, so if you are a lawyer, you have to build the rapport with your clients. So this is the build the rapport, how to make the good connectivity with your clients. Now, why we are making the good connectivity with the clients? Why? क्यों हम बनाना चाहते हैं good connectivity with the clients, with the audience?
Good communication.
Because we engaging
More
engagement or better communication or
or convince, we can say
Engage
convince
with-
to clients.
Draw attention, ma'am.
long run connectivity.
Why?
Ma'am, for professional benefit.
as a professional, as a personal,
It is a
we
demand.
need-
It is a demand.
Demand.
Yes, it is a need of the scenario.
Yes.
Guys, trust me, if you are able to build a rapport with your audience, then you don't take so much pain. कि that the audience को आप बुलाएंगे, guys, please listen, please listen, please listen. No, the audience will automatically love to listen. I'm just taking my example, guys. I'm just working on my weight, okay, since long, but I'm not able to reduce my weight. So I hired one dietitian, and last week I went to my dietitian, and trust me, I was not able to reduce in grams. Grams, maybe I was not able to reduce. Okay, but I went to my dietitian because I already have paid. My dietitian was very strict. But obviously, because I was not able to.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking?
No.
No, it is clear, ma'am.
Please check your connection, dear. Okay, so now my dietitian was very strict because I was not able to get her expectations. Okay, and then she was literally started, Komal, you have to cut the carbs, you have to cut the sugary items, you have to sleep on this, or blah, 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 blah. She was continuously speaking and speaking and speaking. And I was in a different mood. I was in a different mood. But suddenly, one line came from my mouth. Ma'am, whenever I see the chola bhatura na, तो दिल कहता है जा सिमरन जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. And literally, guys, it's automatically came out from my mouth. And what the environment, I'm not saying that my dietitian was very happy, but what this line gives, that changes the environment from negative to positive.
Yes, lighter note पे.
But I was become more open up with my dietitian. Because she, after listening this line, always there is a smile on her face, little smile on her face. Then I got the confidence. Now I was very relaxed, and then I start. Okay, ma'am, this is a problem. I'm not able to do this thing. So can you please change my diet? Okay, so now, ja Simran ja ji le apni zindagi. What is that, guys? What is that? That is a
Humor.
That is a humor. That is a humor. So humor, guys, can be any light-hearted jokes. Humor can be any शायरी, शेरो शायरी भी आप start कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? If you really love, so you can also work on that. Any light-hearted jokes, any punchlines you can use, any Bollywood dialogues you can also use. Okay, so basically humor हम क्यों use कर रहे हैं? To build the rapport, to capture the attention, to break the ice, to encourage the people to open up. Encourage the people to open up.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, see, I have to take the team meetings. Pramod Kumar Sahu, are you getting this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, okay. Now, guys, see, what happened? I'm taking my own example so that you can easily relate with yourself. Last week, I was taking my team meeting with my team members, and no one was interested to turn on their cameras. Because everyone was thinking, again, ma'am, a team meeting. No, ma'am. I am in a kitchen. I'm here. I'm there. And no one was interested. Hardly one or two coaches just turn on their camera. Then instead of saying, guys, please turn on your camera. Please turn on your camera. What I said, guys, this is not a Netflix show. Just unmute and switch on your camera and just feel free to interact with me. What I said, guys, this is not just a Netflix show. कि आप सिर्फ आए और मेरे को behind the camera you are just listening. No, this is not a Netflix show. Okay? So trust me, immediately I got the response. Out of 10 coaches, 7 coaches immediately turned on their camera. Okay, so you should know how to make your communication, how to make your talk more interesting. Reduces the tension. Definitely, laughter is the best medicine for reduces the tension. Okay. Okay, again. Abhi, as you know, the board results has come, released. Okay. Board result has released. So my son, I'm taking my own example, basically. So my son got not so much good marks, not so much less marks, but he was expecting more. Okay, but whatever the result he got, okay, that is okay. Okay, so then he was literally crying. He was started crying. Oh, mama, I got very less marks. Mama, I was expecting 90s, mama, but I got this percentage. Then instead of saying, okay, beta, don't cry. You have to do efforts in the next year. Instead of that, what I said, Pushpa, I hate tears. Pushpa, I hate tears. मैंने अपने बेटे का नाम लिया था. So, but this is a Bollywood dialogue. So, Pushpa, I hate tears. So, guys, trust me, once I just said this line, the environment is completely changed.
Yes. The
environment is completely changed. Whenever my son got very good result and whenever he do very good tasks, so I always say, no, today mama is very happy. No, I never ever said these lines to him. I always say, Mogambo khush hua. Okay, guys, so these are the Bollywood dialogues. These are the Bollywood dialogues, and that Bollywood dialogues also plays a major role to make your communication more engaging and more interesting. Because you know the Bollywood cinema, everyone watch. If you are in a tension, Mohan, if you are in a tension, so what is the famous dialogue you can use from the Bollywood? What is the famous? Have you seen movies?
Yeah.
Yes, you see in the movies. So what is the famous, suppose your son is in a very tension. Ki, Baba, tomorrow I have an exam. Are you married?
No, no.
Acha, you are not married, so then why you are saying, okay, any married person?
Like मैम टेंशन लेने का नहीं देने का है.
नहीं देने का क्यों है उसको सिर्फ हमारे को कंसोल करना है कि everything would be good, everything would be good. So what is the famous dialogue we can say?
All is well.
Very good. All is well. All is well. Three Idiots का dialogue है ना, all is well. You can say all is well. All is well. And trust me, abhi maybe few students are thinking, ma'am, do you really think so? It works. But trust me, guys, it works. It
Yes.
works. But once you are speaking these dialogues, you have to show that facial expressions also. You have to work on
Yes,
your
sir.
body gestures also. You have to work on your voice modulation also. ये ना हो कि एकदम सीरियस मोड पे और उसको कह रहे हो ऑल इज वेल नो the voice would be very funny. ठीक है? If you are a mother, तो very soft voice you have to use. You have to keep some smile on your face. Everything matters, guys. Everything matters. Clear this thing?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a role of the humor. Now, guys, this is an activity.
Humor.
This is an activity, guys. Activity name is
Icebreaker.
Icebreaker. Introduce yourself.
Icebreakers.
Now, what to do in this activity, guys? I will send you into the breakout room. I will send you into the breakout room for the 7 minutes. For the 7 minutes, I will send you into the breakout rooms. Now, in that breakout room, आपको क्या करना है? You have to introduce yourself. अब introduce ऐसे नहीं करना. Hey, I am Komal. I am from Delhi and I am a coach. No. Who will listen ना? उमा कहेगी मैम मुझे क्या करना है सुनकर आप कोच हो आप दिल्ली से हो. Karishma is saying also this thing. So what we can do, we can make our intro little humorous. ठीक है आपको क्या करना है suppose I'm taking Uma and Lakshmi example, right? You both are in the breakout room. Now how to say hey I am Uma. Okay, I am from like for example I'm taking my example. Hey, I'm Komal. I'm from Delhi Dilwalo Ki. And I am into the profession where I can make mumblers into the motivational speakers. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Are you getting me, guys? What I
Yes.
said? Okay, chalo, I'm just taking
Yes,
another
yes.
example. Hey, I'm Komal. I'm from Delhi Dilwalo Ki, and I'm the real boss of the house. Or I am the CEO of the house. So who am I?
You.
Who am I?
Homemaker.
Homemaker. Homemaker. Suppose Seema, I'm taking, hey, I'm Komal, I'm from Delhi Dilwalo Ki, and I am into the profession where I can make everything balance except my work-life balance. Okay, I just make simpler. Hey, I'm into the profession where I know each and every shortcut except the work-life balance. So who am I? I am into which profession? मतलब मेरे को सारा शॉर्टकट की आता है शॉर्टकट्स आते हैं कीबोर्ड का सिर्फ मुझे नहीं समझ आता कि हाउ टू मेक द वर्क लाइफ
IT profession.
IT profession. Okay, so guys, now you are all the masters of your profession, so then you can have chit chat in this way. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, everyone?
Yes.
So I'm sending you into the breakout room. Breakout room में भेज तो रही हूँ वापस भी आ जाना. Okay, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Okay, चलो. Okay, so I have to create. Mr. Roja, the activity is clear. What you have to do?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
मामा ने
हाँ,
चलो.
Nivi, please mute. Okay, so I'm sending you. Okay, guys. So please join the breakout room. Everyone. Yes, Santosh, please join. Yes, Sandeep, what happened? Sandeep?
1 minute, madam. 1 minute. Within 1 minute, I am opening my video.
Okay, that is okay, but you please join.
Yeah.
Yes, Lakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
No one was there into your room ना?
Yes.
हाँ, मैं सेंड कर ही रही थी रश्मि, मैं आपको रूम में भेज रही हूँ.
Okay.
Okay, okay. I'm sending you into. Just join. Yes, Sandeep, you have joined late.
Yeah, sorry, madam, I have joined late because I think this message is coming in only one group. So I think I forget it this. And now I have seen this message in our group.
Okay, but I have posted this message at 6 p.m. Okay,
Okay.
no worries, no worries. Sandeep, I'm just doing one activity. What in that activity, you just introduce yourself, but in a very humorous way. Okay, so what you can do, you just go into the room and start participate. Okay, so that you will get an idea. Just join. Yes, Aksh. Is Akesh, what happened? You come out from the breakout room? Hello?
Sorry, ma'am, I just joined the class.
Okay, you have just joined. Okay.
Yes.
No worries, Akesh. You just do one thing,
Yes.
Akesh. You just stay into the session because now I have sent the
Yeah,
students
yeah.
into the breakout room. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries, Akesh. I will share the recording also. Yes, hi, Moha. Moha, you have just joined?
I will join, ma'am, already. But
Acha, हाँ,
network
Mohan, you have
issue, I
already joined.
can
I think some
leave.
network issue. Network issue.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I'm
Yes.
sending you. I'm sending you. Please join. Mohan, please join. Yes, Ziti, what happened? There was no one into the breakout room?
No, ma'am, I have, but before 2 minutes, my partner left because she has urgent call. That's
Okay,
why.
okay. So who was your partner?
Ma'am, Janvi something.
Janvi. Okay. No worries. I hope you have done your part.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay,
I have done it.
okay, great. Okay, Priyanka, Siddhi has also there. Yes, guys.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. That's great. I was just, my eyes is only on the number of participants list. Okay.
Ma'am, participating only 2%.
How much participants? How many participants
हाँ, now
are
I'm just
joining?
asking you, okay, मैंने कितने भेजे थे, आए कितने? But good. But I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, let's start.
Good.
Okay, so let's start. Room wise, we will start. Okay, anyone. I want only 5 volunteers who want to share your profession. Any 5 volunteers I want from your end. Who want to share? Okay, Sonal.
Yes,
Sonal. Okay. I'm just raise your hand, guys. Okay, Sonal. Yes, Sonal.
So I want to share my profession.
In a humorous way, not in a simple way.
Okay. So I am Sonal Tiwari. I am from the city. It's a new Okla Industrial Development Authority. It's a very well-known city, and it's Noida, a city full of joy, opportunities, infrastructure, and a huge happiness. Me is a very spiritual. I am having a spiritual powers to take anyone life on the right track.
Okay, so she has a superpowers to take anyone on the right track. So, guys, can anyone guess ki Sonal is in which profession?
Astrologer.
HR.
Astrologer.
I play with the 5 elements of body as well as
Manifestation.
of land. It's a Jal, Vayu, Agni, Prithvi, Akash.
Yoga master.
Yoga or psychiatrist.
Astrologer.
Okay.
Speaker.
Right. But
Spiritual.
Sonal, my question is, dear, just you have to no need to mention Noida in such a lengthy way.
Yes,
ठीक है? क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि नोएडा के बारे में क्यों इतना सोनल बोल रहे हैं?
It's a full form of
Because it's the capital, it's very near to the capital city.
मतलब you have to make something interesting so that the audience will love to listen. कि exactly what is in Noida? Okay, so don't talk too much about your city. That should be in one-liner. That should be in one line. Okay? But
Okay.
Well tried, dear. Okay,
Got your
Bharti.
point.
Bharti.
Yeah, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I am Bharti Gursani. I am from capital of India,
Okay.
Delhi Dilwalon ki. And I really make ladies beautiful dressed. So can anybody tell me?
Okay. I am
Am I?
into the profession. I am
Beautician.
into the profession.
Okay.
I'm into the profession.
I am
Beautician.
into the profession to I am into the profession to design.
To make the
It's not
beautiful.
continue.
No. I am into the profession which make beautiful dresses. You are making the dresses.
Yeah.
So I'm into the profession who makes a beautiful dresses, and everyone loved my dresses. So I'm into the profession. Which profession?
I'm into the profession.
Fashion designer.
Fashion designer. Yeah.
Fashion designer. Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay.
Yeah.
अभी तो पता क्या है guys? We are into the वो ना puzzle form में हम खेल रहे हैं. या तो guess करो कि मैं कौन हूँ, तुम guess करो. We are in the puzzle form. No. ठीक है? But yes, देखो, this is a very initial stage. I know this thing, but it will take time. But well tried. Okay. Yes, Dilip.
Yes, I am from Delhi Dilwalon ki.
Okay.
And my professional, what people think, we make its reality. We make their dreams a reality.
Okay, what the people
Interior designer.
Travel
Why
business.
interior designer?
Travel business
travel
Interior
business?
designer or architect?
or architect.
Yeah, mechanical engineer.
Mechanical engineer. Okay. Yes. Anyone who wants to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, hello.
Yes. Please raise your hand so that I can spotlight
Hello.
you.
Ma'am, may I?
Just tell me, you just raise your hand, guys, so that I can spotlight you. Yes, Kali. Okay, Kali. Okay, yes. Yes.
Hi, my name is Kali Chandrakani and I'm from city.
Kali, आपका voice नहीं आ रहा. I'm not getting your voice. Guys, is Kali audible?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
His voice is so slow. मतलब
Kali, you एक बार check करो अपना connection. Okay, meanwhile the Kali is checking his connection.
Now I
Better. Yes.
Okay. So, like, good evening, everyone. My name is Kali Chandra Dattan, and I'm a city from like food lovers and a state of like very sweet peoples. And my profession, I fix what I have broken, but I'm not a doctor. But I'm definitely helping to doctor solve technical mysteries. But I am not a but I am not a detective. Uh, my work with machines that save lives, but I am not a like doctor, but I am helping to doctor.
Radiologist.
Who I am?
Radiologist.
No,
Physiotherapist.
no.
इतने बट और परंतु लगाते हैं खाली मेरे को तो
But I am not a
Brother.
doctor. But you are supplying the
Yeah, machines.
Compounder.
No,
medicine.
Pharmacist.
I said I solve technical mysteries in like machines.
technical mysteries.
So you are engineer.
Mechanic.
You are a technician.
You are telling
You
me
are
the technical
technician.
mysteries that is
Operating
related
the
to
operating
doctor.
the machines.
No,
Mechanic.
Operating the machines.
no. I am a biomedical engineer.
Biomedical.
Biomedical.
But you are not deliver
told
about
engineer.
You don't get it.
No, because every profession is different now, so that's why we are challenging. But guys, देखो अभी right now I'm just giving you the some hint. Now you have the time, you just make your profession little humorous. अभी थोड़ा सा मुझे क्या लग रहा है वो puzzle, बताओ मैं कौन बताओ तुम कौन, वो वाला feel हो रहा है अभी. Okay, but still well tried. Okay, yes.
Hello.
Tuparna Chaudhary. Would you like to try it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just try.
Hello, everyone. I'm from Kolkata.
I'm from the city of Rasagulla.
Sorry.
Rasagulla है ना famous तो.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Rasgulla and
No,
Didi.
City of Joy also, ma'am.
City of Joy. No. Now it's famous for Didi only. Mamata Didi.
अच्छा ममता दीदी. Okay.
Don't tell.
हाँ, don't tell ना. हाँ, we are not discussing about the politics. Okay. Okay, I'm just taking 3 more.
Then, I am a captain
I'm a
of my
captain.
team. Sorry.
Captain of my team.
Yes.
You are a team leader.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice.
And I am a Vastu consultant and an astrologer.
Okay. Yes, Kunal.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kunal Verma. My professional, but I'm state famous is the Litti Chokha. My city famous.
बिहार. हाँ, अच्छा ठीक है अभी प्रोफेशन पे आने दो. Okay.
My professional is every home cool. My professional is every person cool.
AC. Air conditioner shop.
Cooler
Okay.
My profession is the sales profession, the air conditioner.
Okay.
Sell to air conditioner.
Area sales manager is a Voltas company.
Okay. So Kunal, what is the name of your shop?
No shop, man. My corporate company job.
You are working into that company.
He's a sales manager.
It's a sales. So what is the name of your company? What is the name of your company?
Ma'am, my company is named Voltas.
Voltas. हाँ तो आप इसको ऐसे कहो ना. I'm into the profession जो वोल्टास से करे प्यार वो एसी से कैसे करे इनकार. कुछ भी थोड़ा सा ह्यूमर. अभी पता है guys तुम लोग इतना कर रहे हो. My God मेरे को तो ना बहुत ज्यादा ना माइंड लगाना पड़ रहा है. We have to little humorous. ठीक है तो थोड़ा सा इसको इंग्लिश में you can use it. This is not compulsory कि always you have to use English. You can use English. Okay, you know English. Hindi, मतलब okay, मतलब some of you are not the native language of Hindi, but you can use. Yes, okay, Neetu.
Yeah.
But well tried, Kunal.
Okay.
हाँ
Hello everyone. I'm Neetu Malhotra. I'm from the heart of India and Delhi, Dilwalo ki. I'm from Delhi, and I'm into a profession which usually people don't like and make so many memes about my minister because I pinch the money from their pocket and I levy GST on them.
Finance
So
Ministry.
हाँ
yes, yes,
Finance Ministry, no?
Finance
Yes.
Ministry.
yes.
Okay, very
Oh my
nice,
I
very
am
nice.
under Miss Nirmala Sitharaman and I make calculation
Wow,
of
wow.
Oh,
GST
wow.
and
Oh,
income tax
Very
return.
nice,
Wow.
very nice, very
People
nice.
usually don't
Great,
like my
great.
profession and so much memes are made.
especially middle class.
GST, you are taking GST from us.
GST, the word you have taken, just giving the hint, na GST.
Yes,
But
yes.
well tried, wife. Well tried, guys. Okay,
Ma'am, may I? Smita.
okay, last. Okay, Smrita.
Ma'am, give me chance, please.
कौन है?
Indrajit.
अच्छा इंद्रजीत ठीक है guys
Ma'am, I
बस
also, I
last
also.
two ठीक है because उसके
I
बाद I
also,
have to
ma'am,
start the
I
session.
also, please, ma'am. I also, Santosh.
अरे भाई सेशन करना है 10:30 तक का लिमिट है बस चलो जल्दी स्टार्ट करो yes
No
Smrita.
line.
Hello everyone. I am Smrita. I am from the state of Birsa Munda ji. I
Ranchi.
Birsa Munda ji means Jharkhand, from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand, yeah, Ranchi.
I am into
तो
the
झारखंडी
profession
तो नहीं बोलना था ना वो क्या बोला तुमने you are from the
state of Birsa Munda ji.
अच्छा बस ठीक है वो itself काफी है
Okay,
ठीक है
ma'am.
आगे बोलो speak
I am
up.
into the profession where I have to deliver social welfare schemes to the weaker section, means सबका साथ सबका विकास.
Social worker.
In which profession I am
social
working?
worker NGO
No, ma'am.
Bank.
banks
No.
No.
I am a state PCS officer. Recently,
Oh.
I am working in Rural Development Department as a Deputy Development Commissioner, ma'am.
okay
Okay,
well
rural
nice very nice Smrita very nice yes Santosh
Yes. Hi, guys. My name is Santosh. I am from City of the Joy, Mishti Doi also. So my profession is a company keeps maintain the books.
maintains the books
Librarian.
librarian
Librarian.
accounts accountant
Yes.
Accountant.
okay very nice okay done anyone who is left Indrajit I think
Yes,
Indrajit
yes,
was
ma'am.
saying कहाँ है
Yes,
इंद्रजीत अच्छा अब बुक स्विच ऑन तो करो कैमरा
Ma'am, I'm sitting on a terrace, so
ऐसी कौन सी वादियों में तुम ह्यूमर का सेशन अटेंड कर रहे हो हाँ you should
because of
bring camera
network
ना
issue, ma'am. Because of network issue, I'm sitting on terrace, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है चलो speak louder but speak louder
Yes, ma'am. Hello, folks. Good evening, everyone. So my name is Indrajit Kumar Gupta. So my profession is empowering dream with financial supports. I am living in food lover city.
Both mysterious.
Indore.
Indore. Food lover city.
Gujarat.
Punjab. Indore. Madhya Pradesh. Indore.
Madhya Pradesh.
Nowadays, every city is a food lover.
even I'm thinking about Delhi
Most important. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am is correct. I am living in New Delhi.
okay
And I am my profession is a funding of abroad abroad study student going to funding education loan.
okay very nice
So
very
that's why
nice.
you are sitting on the terrace to keep eyes on everyone going to foreign.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Indrajit.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
guys.
Thank you so much for giving the opportunity, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
guys. Now let's start. Okay? Now we have only half an hour, guys. I have to end the session. Okay, now. The science behind the humor and the right brain. Guys, this is very important because we are learning the neuroscience. And in neuroscience, we always learn that we have the two types of brain. One is left brain and one is right brain. Okay? Left brain is more
Logical brain.
Logical.
brain.
Left brain is more logical. But guys, if you really want to inculcate this humor activities, if you really want to learn these humor, then you have to activate your which brain?
Right
brain.
Right brain आपको activate करना पड़ेगा because right brain is
Yes, sir.
associated with
Logically.
creativity.
Creativity.
Right brain is
Magical.
associated with imagination. Right brain is associated with emotional connection. In
Yes.
today's scenario, the most important task is, guys, how to emotionally connect it with the audience. This is the most toughest task, I must say. Everyone in today's scenario just to come and just deliver whatever is in their mind. Least wonder whether we are able to connect with the audience or not. And how to connect with the audience by activate your right brain. This is more important. आप क्वेश्चन आ रहा होगा, maybe Seema, maybe Dalip, you guys are thinking, ma'am, you always say कि activate your right brain, activate your right brain. ये कैसे करेंगे right brain को activate? बोल के तो सब चले जाते हैं। हाँ, कि नहीं होता, कि कैसे करें हम
नहीं होता।
ठीक है, देखो गाइस, सी मैं थोड़ा सा आपको वो बताती हूँ कि कैसे करो। देखो, फॉर एक्टिवेटिंग द राइट ब्रेन ना, यू मस्ट बी अ वेरी गुड ऑब्जर्वर। आपको एक अच्छा ऑब्जर्वर होना बहुत जरूरी है। You are sitting in a metros, either you are sitting in the metros, either you are going to pick your child, कहीं पर भी आप हो, even you are in a Mumbai trains, you must be a good observer. You have to see yourself कि what type of crowd is sitting along with you. उनको observe करो. Second is practice. Definitely you have to practice. You must be very aware about your surroundings. If you really want to inculcate humor, तो start listening podcast. अब podcast किसके सुने हम? Humorous podcast. Start listening. ठीक है, अगर if you are in a love of शेरो and शायरी, just start reading that good शेरो and शायरी. I'm not saying कि romantic और देवदास बन जाओ. No, I'm not talking about this thing. ठीक है, लेकिन start listening some good शेरो and शायरी. Why I'm asking? Because if you really want to start your presentation, most of the time you have to deliver your presentation into your fluency sessions. So you just immediately come, hello everyone, my topic is this, and then you start blah, blah, blah. In this way, do you really think so? Your peer group will love to listen. Oh my God, now the Seema is come, now the Sandeep is coming. No, I want to love. I will love to listen. No. Who matter? Who cares? Sandeep आ गया, चला गया, Seema आ गए, चले गए. But if you will start with any good punchlines also the humor. You have to start listening good podcast. Good podcast. Start listening. Start reading some good humorous little taglines, punchlines. Start using some Bollywood dialogues. Start using some light-hearted jokes. These are all the right brain activities. These are all the right brain activities. You must be very aware. Awareness is very essential. ये नहीं कहीं बैठे हैं एकदम सिट हो गए, ये जिंदगी से तो सब कुछ खत्म हो गया. No, just see your surroundings, guys. You will get so many things from your surroundings. So many things. And if you really, suppose Sandeep is saying, ma'am, I am a very serious person. बिल्कुल मैं तो हंसता ही नहीं हूं. ठीक है, तो मैम ये तो मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. Humor तो मैं I cannot inculcate into my talk. But Sandeep, if you know this weakness, so then you have to develop this. You have to develop this. अब वो कैसे develop करोगे? देखो, एक को होता है ना, that is by birth. By birth, that person is very humorous. That person is very funny. That is a God-gifted thing. But if you think so that you are not a humorous person, so at least you start making notes. कहीं से भी आपको कोई भी अच्छी, if you want get any tagline, any punchlines, any light-hearted joke, start writing. Just make one notebook, just start writing. Initially, you have to cram and gradually you will be in practice, so it will automatically come out from your mouth. But you just start making some notes. Just start making some notes. Because this is some of you, this is not a God-gifted. But in today's scenario, many of us don't know this skill. हम भूल गए हैं, हंसना भूल गए हैं, हंसाना तो बिल्कुल ही भूल गए हैं. Okay, so then we have to start. We have to use all these things. Okay, so this is done. Okay, guys, now I'm going to share some practical applications of the humor. Practical application. Now, there are the three types of communication. There are the three types of communication. What is that? Mr. Pramod, can you tell me what are the three types of communication? हाँ बोलो. Anyone?
Ma'am, 55% body language,
अच्छा.
7% word.
फिर क्या करना है मुझे?
Can I say, ma'am?
हाँ, मुझे 55% का लेके क्या करना है?
मैम आई कांटेक्ट
हाँ, आई कांटेक्ट. नहीं,
Yes, ma'am.
no. Type of communication, guys.
Ma'am,
See. हाँ, अच्छा, David. Yes, David.
Verbal communication.
Verbal, non-verbal, and written communication. And written communication. There are the three types of communication, guys. Verbal communication,
Yes,
non-verbal
clear.
communication, and written communication. What do you mean by Krishna? What do you mean by Karishma, sorry. Karishma, what do you mean by verbal communication?
Verbal communication, we speak personally.
Personally.
Face to face
और
on
अगर
phone
पब्लिकली मेरे को
calls.
बात करना होगा तो
What
फिर
you-
कौन सी
Orally,
communication use
ma'am.
करूंगी?
We speak orally.
हाँ, the communication in which we use the words.
Words.
The communication in which
sentence,
we
yeah.
use the spoken words. That is called the
Verb.
verbal communication.
Verbal communication.
So now, guys, I'm telling you, now these are the some techniques which you can use at the time of verbal communication. Witty one-liners. You can use witty one-liners. You can use the playful teasing. You can use the exaggeration. Witty one-liner होता है simple, short, humorous remarks. छोटे हम remarks अगर हम किसी को देते हैं, that is a witty one-liner. Suppose Dhriti is not in a mood to do anything. Dhriti का कोई मन नहीं है. Dhriti is saying, ma'am, I don't want to do anything. Okay. Now Sudha is saying, Dhriti, you become very lazy nowadays. Now the Dhriti is saying, no, Sudha, I'm not lazy. But what the Sudha, instead of saying, no, I'm not lazy, what the Sudha is saying, no, dear, I'm not lazy. I'm on the energy saving mode. मतलब वही है कि भैया I am lazy, I don't want to do anything. But what the Dhriti will say to Sudha, no, I'm not lazy, dear. Today I'm on the energy saving mode. This is a witty one-liner. Okay. Suppose Uma is going somewhere and she suddenly fell down. And everyone is saying, oh my God, kahin laga to nahi? And Uma is saying, no, please don't be embarrassed. I'm fine. Instead of that, the Suma will say, no, I didn't fall. I just spending the good quality time with the flow. I just spent a good quality time with the flow.
आधा रख देही आधा बहरे रही जही मैंने कीटाणु लेके बैठ जाएंगे
Aarti saying, please mute. Okay, playful teasing होता है खेल में किसी को छेड़ देना. खेल में किसी को छेड़ देना. कई बार खेल में हम वो बातें कह जाते हैं. That is called the playful teasing. Suppose Seema is glowing a lot and someone is saying, wow, Seema, what the facial you have done, your face is glowing a lot. And Seema is saying, yeah, okay. ठीक है? But what does we can say, oh my God, what something is in your face. Oh my God, this is a natural glow. And then the Seema will start more blush. Okay, so in this way you can use, guys. So whatever the profession you have, you just start making some playful teasing, some witty liners, exaggeration. Suppose I'm very hungry. My son comes from the school and he's very hungry. And he's saying, Mama, today I'm very hungry. ठीक है, दे रही हूँ. Just शांति रख थोड़ा सा. Have patience. We speak in this way. But instead of saying कि Mama, I'm so hungry that I could eat an elephant. So definitely it will giggle up. Okay. Although no one can eat the elephant, this is just an exaggerated statement. Okay. But if he will speak in this way, so definitely I will love to listen. This is a statement which my son usually use. Mama, you know, my math teacher is so strict. And I always say, so what? My math teacher was also very strict. What's new? Okay. But if we add this line he added, Mama, you know, my math teacher is so strict, even the calculators are afraid of her. Even the calculators are afraid of her. And then I think, so, oh my God, maybe now his teacher is very strict. So that's why he is not getting the good marks in the maths. Okay, so these are the exaggeration. These are the exaggeration. बड़ा चढ़ा के किसी को बोल. Non-verbal communication, guys, very simple that you all know. Non-verbal communication means the facial expressions. Facial expressions. Facial expressions. Sometimes we just make some funny facial expressions. That comes into the non-verbal communication. Sometimes we just roll your eyes. Roll करते हैं अपनी eyes को. ठीक है? Sometimes you have to use this. Shh. So these are all the non-verbal communication. So to make your communication more effective, you can also use the non-verbal communication. And the written communication that you have to write. Suppose Anjana ko main Anjana or Bharti. I'm taking guys to these two examples. Okay. Now suppose Anjana, you have to just send one email to the Bharti and you are saying, dear, I'm just sending one email to you and it is a lengthy email, but I appreciate if you go through with it. Bharti is least interested. अरे जैसे आपने लिख दिया, it's a long email. Who will listen? But you will just write down into the subject. Bharti, I'm just sending one email to you, and I promise that this email is shorter than my grocery list. This email is shorter than my grocery list. Although the email content is same, guys, you cannot detect the email content. But if you just mention this caption, so definitely the Bharti will love to at least check that email. Because we have to just grasp the attention. हमें attention ही grasp करना है. We have to use the funny memes. We have to use the funny gifs so that you can all use in the written communication. Okay.
वैसे वो जिंदगी पहले से लगा रहे और क्या
EP.
देखो ना इसका लेदर को
EP is in a humorous mode now. EP, can you please mute?
Please.
Now she's in a humorous mode. Okay, guys. Now
This is breaking the ice.
Right. Okay. Now we are just going to little bit faster. Now, guys, now this question might be coming into your mind. Ma'am, only the normal person can use the humor. No. Even the big shots, big celebrities, big politicians use this skill, humor, into their talk. Why? To make your audience, to make the masses more engaged. Can anyone tell me, according to you, who is the orator, or we can say who is the politician who is very humorous by nature?
Lalu Prasad.
Narendra Modi, sir, ma'am.
Narendra Modi. Yes. Lalu Yadav. But I'm just taking my examples according to me. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Because Narendra Modi ji has that skill. He often uses humor into their talk.
Yes.
To make their masses engage. But guys, I just want to show one video, but I really appreciate if everyone mute yourself, because I don't know how the sound quality, because I have taken from the YouTube. If everyone mute so that you can listen. Pramod, Santosh, please mute everyone. Okay, now I'm going to share one video, guys. Please have a look. Just listen.
हम अहमदाबादी लोगों के लिए कहा जाता है, अहमदाबादी से बता रहा हूँ.
Audible है? Audible?
उनके लिए कहा जाता है.
Yes, ma'am, audible है.
बुरा मत माने, क्योंकि आजकल ऐसा है कुछ भी बात बड़ा विवाद का विषय बन जाती है.
Ma'am, but video is not playing here.
मैं मानता नहीं हूँ. एक बार रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पर ट्रेन आई, तो उसमें जो पैसेंजर था वो ऊपर के बर्थ पर था. तो उसने बाहर खिड़की में पूछा कि भाई कौन सा स्टेशन आया है. तो बाहर वाले ने कहा 4 आना दोगे तो बताऊंगा. तो उसने कहा मत बताओ, ये अहमदाबादी होगा. कैसे बनाना, इसमें एक्सपर्टाइज होती है. ये अहमदाबादी लोग एक भी चीज फालतू छोड़ते ही नहीं है. धन्यवाद जी. माइक दे दीजिए.
बॉडी टेस्टर्स.
देखिए लोग मेरा सुन के थक जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल सर.
अच्छा, थक जाते हैं ना?
नहीं. मल्हार कलाम.
Yes, I know the voice quality is not up to the mark because I have taken from the YouTube. But guys, have you noticed something? Body gestures also, voice modulation also. He always keep on smiling on his face. And what the humor he has used? कि mic दे दीजिएगा मुझे. Okay, so just to make the attention, just to make the attention of your audience. So now you can see the big shot, the big celebrities use this skill. So why we are not using this skill? Okay. Okay, guys, now I'm taking some professional settings because you are all from the 9 p.m. batch. So you're all professional. So I have made some humor. Okay, suppose you are presenting this presentation to your team. Suppose you are presenting this presentation to your team, and this presentation is full of data, full of graphs, full of data, but this is a business prerequisite that you have to show because it is mandatory. आपको show तो करना ही पड़ेगा. It is mandatory. You have to show, but it is full of data. And if you will just start your presentation with this thing, your clients, your audience will think, oh my God, again, a full of data presentation is there. And they start losing interest. So what we can do, we just say, just show this presentation to your audience. And then you can say, it's quite simple. I hope you have understood it. You must have some smile on your face. इसका मतलब है, oh my God, this is quite simple. मेरे को लग रहा है you have understood it. Or you can say, it will be impressed if you will get even half of it. I would be impressed. Suppose you are taking the team meeting, one-on-one session है, आपका और आपका client के साथ one-on-one session है. And the client is saying, oh my God, this is again a meeting. So what you can say, I promise that to keep this meeting short and sweet, just like a coffee breaks. Okay, suppose the member is coming to you, instead of saying, now we are going to start meeting, this is a 1 hour meeting. No, never ever say these types of words. Otherwise, the member will start losing the interest. You can say, I promise, thank you for joining me. And I promise that I will keep this meeting short and sweet, just like our coffee breaks. उसके बाद चाहे तुम उसको 2 घंटे बिठा के उसके साथ मीटिंग लग लो, no matters. Suppose you are conducting the team meeting. You are the team leader. Okay. And you are taking the meeting. So sometimes it happens that the team members sit like, and they are just listening.
Please.
Yeah, they are just listening you. So then you can say, hey guys, please don't sit like the mummies. Please share your thoughts. Are you guys getting what is the meaning of mummies here? जो Egypt's की mummies होती हैं, ठीक है? So don't sit like the mummies. Just share your thoughts. Okay. Suppose you are taking the virtual meetings. And we always say, guys, please turn on your camera. We always speak in this way. So what we can say, guys, please turn on your camera and have some occasionally smile so that I get to know whether you are awake or not. Right? Mr. Roja, are you getting this? Right? So always have some smile. So smile occasionally. Beech mein hastiya karo so that I get to know whether you guys are awake or asleep. Okay? So these are the some humor inputs that you can indulge. Suppose you are the teachers by profession. So I have taken some scenarios. You can go through it. I will share this. Suppose teacher is saying to the student, guys, just listen carefully on the blackboard, or nowadays there is a smart board. Just listen carefully on the smart board. I am going to take a very important session. Do you really think so, Sandeep, Pramod, Seema? The kids will listen? No.
No, ma'am.
Teenagers so bilkul nahi sunenge, to be very frank. Okay. So what the teacher will say, guys, let's make this session more interesting than your Insta reels. Once the teacher will speak Insta reels, everyone will listen. Arey ma'am, aaj to kuch different dikhane wale. Okay. Suppose your handwriting. Now this is an example. Suppose your son's or daughter handwriting is too bad. If you will say, oh my God, your handwriting is too bad. What the answer you are expecting from your kids? क्या आंसर एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं आप अगर आप बोलते हैं oh my God, your handwriting is too bad?
सड़ जाएगा।
हाँ, क्या आंसर एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं? इफ यू विल से दिस थिंग टू योर किड्स, oh my god, your handwriting is too bad, you have to improve your handwriting. So what the answer you are expecting from your kids?
Next time I will improve.
Huh?
Next time I will improve my handwriting.
Do you really think so? The teenager will say this. वो कहेगा हमारे मम्मा,
ये गंदा लग रहा है वो, ये तो
हाँ,
अच्छा
जैसे
है।
है ठीक है मम्मा, मेरे को तो समझ आ रहा है ना, my teacher will understand. Okay?
Yes,
So
don't
don't,
read
don't,
it.
हाँ.
Listen to baby, please change your writing.
No, please नहीं work करता. You have to mold your statement. What you can say, oh wow, beta, your handwriting is so creative. Even I cannot read it. Then he will see. अच्छा
You are-
दिखाना कि कैसा
you are
handwriting है.
A
You are
kid
becoming a
answered
doctor.
so nicely. My kid said that, Mama, when I write it very impressive, so ma'am marked a lot of things. When I did a little messy writing, so I got the full marks.
I got the full marks, right? So guys, these are the some tips and techniques. So I just shared. Suppose you are going for the PTM meeting for your kids. Your teacher will never ever say, if the teacher will say, ma'am, see the report card, what your child is doing. But neither the kid will listen, nor the parents will listen. So what the teacher has to say, oh my God, ma'am, your child's progress report is just like a roller coaster. Sometimes up, sometimes down. Okay, so to make your make environment little humorous. Okay, so in this way you can use. So what is humor is and what humor is not. So humor doesn't mean only to crack the jokes. Humor must be very natural. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एक script का रट्टा मार के then you have to speak. No, it should be automatically come out. So by practicing, you can indulge. Do not make the fun of others. Definitely, you have to take care of the privacy of others. You can add funny memes and memes and gifs. Understand the audience culture. Guys, this is very important. Understand the audience culture. What does it mean? Understand the audience culture. Suppose you are delivering the presentation in front of the youth. So you have to inculcate the humor according to their age. Suppose you are presenting yourself in front of the working professionals. Suppose you are presenting yourself in front of the South Indians. So you understand their culture. Then you can inculcate your humor. You cannot apply the same humor on every platform. You must understand their culture. Add exaggeration. Finish your intro with the punchline. ठीक है? You have to use the punchlines also. जैसे वो था ना, याद है जब हमारा डिमोनेटाइजेशन हुआ था, 500 रुपए का नोट बंद हुआ था, एक पंचलाइन आई थी, अच्छा चलते हैं दुआओं में याद रखना. वो क्या है? वो आज तक वो लाइन हमारे माइंड में है. That is also the humor. That is also the humor. Okay, so that you should know. That you should know. Okay, guys, now I'm giving some serious situation. I'm taking 15 minutes more, guys. Is it okay, everyone?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, guys, I'm giving you some serious situation. Suppose, Anjana, this is a situation for you. I always say this thing. You're always sitting on a couch. No work at all. We always say these lines to our kids. You're always sitting on a couch. No work at all. If you
Yeah.
will speak these lines to your kids, trust me, Anjana, they will never ever listen. So how to make this serious situation into the little humorous? Just try.
You couch potato, just get up.
You,
Couch potato.
Ritika, not able to get your voice.
You couch potato, just get up.
You are a couch potato, just get up. Okay, very nice, very nice. Any more inputs? Just try. Don't think so कि बोलेंगे तो correct ही बोलेंगे, नहीं तो बोलेंगे ही नहीं. Don't come with this mindset.
Like sitting on couch, no work at all.
Okay, see. If lying on the couch is an Olympic game, definitely you will get the gold medal. ठीक है? if lying on a couch is an Olympic game, so definitely you will get an gold medal. क्योंकि आप सारे दिन तो काउच पे ही पड़े रहते हो, तो आपको तो गोल्ड मेडल मिल जाएगा उसके ऊपर. Okay?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes. Okay, next try. Yes.
Wait, wait, wait.
Siddhi.
Oh, my
हाँ,
baby,
हाँ.
oh, my baby are doing so much work
Oh
for
my God.
saving energy.
हाँ. Speak louder, Siddhi.
Oh, my baby are doing so much work for saving energy.
For saving energy. Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Sitting on the couch. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Okay. There's someone who is logging with 810934449780. Dear, what's your name?
Ma'am, Sikha Khan.
Shikha. Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
Shikha, just try.
You are spending too much time on your phone.
Frequently we use these types of lines. You are spending too much time on your phone. सुधा, बोलते हो अपने बच्चों को ये लाइनें?
You
हाँ?
are spending too much
सुनते
time.
हैं?
सुन रही हूँ,
अच्छा, वो सुन रहे हैं. अच्छा, yes. तो कैसे इसको बोलोगे? How to make little humorous? तारिक पे तारिक. हाँ?
Hello.
Yes. If your phone could talk, it would probably say, stop scrolling. अगर आपके फोन बात कर सकते तो वो कहते कि भैया अब हमारे को स्क्रॉलिंग से ब्रेक दे दो. Okay? You need to eat more vegetables. So we can say vegetables won't bite you, but they might help to grow. Your room is too messy. Arrange it properly. आपका रूम कितना बिखरा हुआ है. Arrange it properly. So you can say, is this your room or an archaeological site? Should I call someone to discover? Should I call someone to discover? Preeti, are you getting Preeti Saran?
Yes,
Lakshmi,
yes.
Uma, are you getting, guys?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right?
Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
guys, these are the some, you all need to participate more in the classroom discussion. I frequently use these types of statements. This is not a Netflix show, guys. Please unmute yourself and join the conversation. You can also apply these types of statements into your conversation. Okay? So I'm just written some examples you can read. Okay, अब मेरा favorite, my Bollywood dialogues. My Bollywood dialogues. Suppose, Neetu, just try. Neetu, are you fond of movies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Neetu, एक मेरा situation है. You have to motivate someone after a setback. उसको बड़ा धक्का लगा है, but you have to motivate. So हम normal क्या बोलते हैं? Oh, don't be disappointed. The life is still going on. Just do efforts. There is no end here. But you have to motivate him in a Bollywood style. So how you can?
Ma'am, setback in what sense? After a breakup or something?
Anything. अब ब्रेकअप वाला तो मैंने नहीं लिया, मैंने तो एज अ मदर की तरह लिया. But you can.
That means usually in Bollywood we say that ना तू नहीं तो कोई और सही, कोई और नहीं तो कोई और सही.
Can I?
Yes, please.
While you're sitting back, अपना time आएगा.
Okay, very nice.
जो डरता है वो मरता है.
अच्छा, मैंने क्या लिखा था? Guys, Dad, you can do according to
हार के बाद जीत है, मैम.
हार कर जीतने वाले को ही बाजीगर कहते हैं.
हारी हुई बाजी को जीतने वाले को
बाजीगर कहते हैं. But you have to use. अभी क्या होता है? We just listen and then we forget to implement. But we have to use. Suppose Sandeep asking for help or collaboration. आपको किसी की help चाहिए. आप किसी के साथ help मांग रहे हैं. आप प्लीज ये मेरा काम कर दे. Suppose one of your colleague is very good in technical part and he is very good in making the Excels and the PPTs. And your boss has given one task is, Sandeep, you have to create 3 presentations within 10 minutes. And you are asking the help from your colleague. So how you can say, if you will say, yeah, guys, please help me now, boss has assigned this deadline, I have to do this. No one will listen. Then how you will say? Anyone?
बस एक बार कह दो मैं हूं ना, वरना ये कहानी अधूरी रह जाएगी.
Okay, well tried. Okay.
मैं हूँ ना।
Can I borrow your skills for a while to complete my
ये
thing?
हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर।
Ritika, you have to use some Bollywood dialogues.
Okay.
Yes.
मैं मुझे कुछ समय के लिए उधार दो, मैं वापस लौटा दूंगा।
हाँ, मैंने जो लिखा था, ये हाथ, I think someone has told this thing also. ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर, because that person is so skilled. He can easily make the presentation within 2 or 3 minutes by using AI. तो then the Sandeep is saying, ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर, मेरा काम कर दे ये।
अरे यार, इतनी तो मदद करते हम हर बार हम नहीं करते हैं क्या?
हाँ, नहीं काली, वो थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव वे में हो जाएगा। ठीक है, वो थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव वे में, आप
मैडम,
उसको humorous।
नो, तेरा भाई है ना?
हाँ, तेरा अच्छा, to reduce the tension or the fear।
टेंशन लेने का नहीं।
सोनल, to reduce the tension, अगर suppose करो, सोनल, do you have kids, Sonal?
Yes.
Okay, Sonal, suppose your son is or daughter is very in a tense mode. Okay, so then how you can reduce his tension or the fear by using this Bollywood?
I used to say this very commonly, tension लेने का नहीं, देने का।
देने का है, किसको देगा? वो तो मम्मी को ही देगा फिर। Do you really think so?
जो भी what इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है मेरे वे में, कि जो भी आपको परेशान कर रहा है तो उसको परेशान करके वो घर पे आके रोने का नहीं ना।
Okay, well tried. Or
All is well.
Don't take
all
it
is
well.
well. Yes, all is well.
All is well.
All is well. And you have to just take the action also. All is well. All is well. Because in this scenario, this is a major problem which even I have seen, that the students are getting the marks, but they are not emotionally strong. They are not able to face any stress. And being a parent, this is our duty. Ki, okay, marks, academic marks are okay, but we also develop some emotional intelligence among our kids also. Okay, when inspire someone to dream big. When inspire someone to dream big, then what we can say?
तारे जमी पर।
तारे जमीन पर।
जमी पर।
नहीं, जब हमारे को किसी को इंस्पायर करना है कि बड़ा सोचो, ये हो जाएगा। सपोज तारिक इज सेइंग, ओके, तारिक कुनाली सेइंग, मैम 2 महीने हो गए इंग्लिश सीखते कुछ आई तो है नहीं मैम अभी बोलनी। 2 महीने से कभी आप ग्रामर में घुमा रहे हो, कभी वोकैब में घुमा रहे हो, है? देन आई हैव टू से, नहीं कुनाल, तारिक, think big, definitely you will achieve, definitely you will be a good communicator।
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, you have a long way to।
हाँ, तो बट इसके लिए मैं हमेशा ये कहूंगी, किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात की कोशिश करती है, लेकिन उस चीज को दिल से चाहना पड़ेगा। सब कुछ कम्युनिकेशन पे टाइम डिवोट करना पड़ेगा।
Ma'am, I said to my students many times, एक आग का दरिया है और डूब के जाना है।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस।
जब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं।
जब तक कुनाल,
जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं, जब तक
छोड़ेंगे नहीं। वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। बट there is a 3 months limit, otherwise you have to renew. Okay, so think of that. Okay guys, now अच्छा, ये तो हो गया ना, डन। Now guys, okay, yes, anyone who can speak in a more louder? Sharmila, can you read it, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Assignment, self-intro script convert into humors. Hello everyone, I am Komal. I am from Delhi. I am a communication coach and I am very excited to be here. I love meeting new people and sharing ideas. My goal is to keep things engaging and meaningful. Meaningful. Let's learn, grow, and have a great time together.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Now, Kali, Tariq, Preeti, Lakshmi, do you really think so? Okay, wow, what an amazing script we have to learn. No. Now, okay.
Because
now.
I just
this is a normal script.
Reading normal
okay,
script.
this is a normal script. Okay. Uma, unmute Uma.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you read this script?
Okay. Hello, hi everyone. I am Komal and from Delhi Dilwalo ki. I am into a profession where I can make member into motivational speaker, and I am very thrilled to be there because I had no choice. I enjoy sharing idea, cracking jokes, just to make sure that you well all are awake. My goal is to keep things more engage, uh, engaging and most importantly free of boredom. Let's learn, grow, and enjoy the
Roller coaster of life.
Roller
coaster
coaster
of
of life.
life.
Okay, well tried, Uma. But I want someone who can read this in a more excited and the humorous way. Okay,
Ma'am,
Siddhi.
can I try?
Okay,
Ma'am, may I,
Siddhi.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Siddhi.
Ma'am, I can try.
Yes?
Can
Okay, Siddhi. I
Ma'am,
just...
can I? Ma'am, can I?
Siddhi, speak louder.
Okay, yes. Hey everyone, I am Komal.
No.
Ma'am, may I?
can I?
Amrita?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I?
Can I?
Okay, Dhriti. Yes, Dhriti, but speak louder.
Okay, ma'am. Hey everyone, I am Komal and from Delhi Dilwalo ki. I'm into a profession where I can make mumblers into motivational speakers. And I'm very thrilled to be here because I had no choice.
I had no
Enjoy
choice.
sharing
Choice.
ideas. Enjoy sharing ideas, cracking jokes, just to make sure that we all are awake. My goal is to keep things more engaging and most importantly, free of boredom. Let's learn, grow, and enjoy the roller coaster of life.
Of life.
Thank you, everyone.
Very nice. So guys, which script seems to be more engaging? Which scripts seems to be more enjoyable?
Second one.
The second one. Second one. Because the first script is very monotonous, very dull, very boring. But what I have did, we just make the same script into the little humorous script. And this is the task, guys. You all have to make your introduction, only the self-introduction, small self-introduction, but not the same monotonous introduction. No, you have to make that self-intro script into the little humorous script. This is your task. This is your homework. Clear?
Yes.
Santosh, Shikha, clear? What you have
Yes,
to do?
ma'am.
Here, ma'am.
David, Mr. Roja, Lakshmi, it is clear what you have to do. You just make your simple intro into the humor.
That's all.
ऐसा भी नहीं है कि इसके अंदर
Okay, ma'am.
jokes निकाल दो. No, उसी को थोड़ा सा little humorous आपको करना. Okay, guys, now the time doesn't allow, so now I'm jumping. Okay, so that is the conclusion why we need the humor for the engagement, for the retention, for the stress relief, and for enhancing the creativity. जाते yes, एक मिनट ये एक बार सुनना, guys. This is very important. Please, everyone, mute yourself so that you can listen.
Sense of humor हमेशा रखना जिंदगी में. हंसते हमेशा रहना, एक चाइल्ड लाइक इनोसेंस जरूर रखना. जैसे एक छोटे बच्चे की जो एक इनोसेंस होती है, जो उसका दुनिया की तरफ जो नजरिया होता है, बड़ा इनोसेंट सा होता है. उसमें कोई खामी नहीं होती, गलती नहीं होती, अभी दुनियावी बातें नहीं आई होती. तो वैसे ही रखना. कई बार बचपन में मैंने जब बदतमीजी की या कोई गलत काम किया, तो उन्होंने सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से मुझे बचाया. और जिंदगी भर अगर आप अपने ऊपर, अपने हाल पे, दुनिया पे, क्योंकि लोग आपसे हर कोई बात कहेंगे, अच्छी बात भी कहेंगे, बुरी बात भी कहेंगे, क्योंकि लोगों का काम है कहना. अगर आप उसको एक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से देख सकेंगे तो जिंदगी जो है बहुत बेहतर रहेगी.
गाइस, लोगों का काम है कहना, लेकिन हमें अपनी बातें है कहते रहना, बट बाय पुटिंग सम लिटिल ह्यूमर्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, so this is the end of the